Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing all your work well. Rest. Now I had left you my explanation or structure of the seed. Yes. Now we come to the part of a seed. Yes. Now you see in this picture that this is the seed coat and this is the embryo, this is the helium and this is the cotyledon, or you can call it the seed leaf. It is very simple. You just like you can take a mango seed and here you'll find, and at the side there is a little bit curve, and little one small knot is there, that is the embryo. And here in this much, this is the embryo, this is the helium, and this is the seed leaf. Now we come to kind of seed. When we remove the seed coat, we see one or two fleshy white part. Yes, the inside part here, na, this is the fleshy part. These are called the seed leaves or cotyledon. Seeds such as peas, pulses, and beans have two cotyledons and are called dicotyledons. Yes, dia means two. So, which are the seeds which have got two? The peas, the pulses, beans have two cotyledons, or you can call them dicotyledon. Seeds such as rice, wheat, and maize have one cotyledon and are called the monocotyledon. This is mono means one. Yes, and which are those seeds? Rice, wheat, and maize. They have got one, that is monocotyledon. Yes, here you can see this in this picture. These are two ones. Yes, this is the dicotyledon and this is the monocotyledon. Now we come to the germination part. The process of the growth of a seed into a new plant is called germination. If you sow a seed into a soil, and if it grows, if it has got enough of water, air, sunlight, and good soil, it will grow into a plant, into a new plant. So, when seeds grow into a new plant, when they get water, air, sunlight, and good soil. So, the process of the growth of a seed into a new plant. Here you can see in this diagram. This is the process. This is first when you sow the seed. These are the process. Here you put them in the soil. The first stage, the second stage, and third stage, fourth stage, and fifth stage. Provided it gets enough of water, air, sunlight, and good soil. So, in order for the germination, the process of the growth of a seed into a new plant is called germination, and seeds will grow into new plants when they get water, air, sunlight, and good soil. So, we are finished with this on page number 55. Yes, we finished with this. Now you turn the page and you come to page number 56. Yes, these are the keywords. I want you to learn them well because you may get answer in a word. Answer in a word means I will write down the part of a plant that grows into the soil. You will have to give me one word. Roots. Yes, the main roots that grows from the end of a stem into the soil. You will answer me taproot. The process of the growth of a seed into a new plant. One word, germination. So learn this and write down homework, learn on this. Yes. Okay, now turn to page number 58. Here it says choose the correct answer for each of the following. Which of these plants has fibrous root? Put a tick on grass. Which of these is a stem that we eat? Potato. Which of these are leaves that we eat? Cabbage. Flowers grow into which of the following? Fruits. Fill in the blanks. The part of a plant that grows above the soil is called shoot. The part of a plant that grows inside the soil is called root. Here, put it in. Wheat has dash, tap of fibrous root, The green color of leaf is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Here, spelling. Photosynthesis is the process by which leaves make the food for the plant. Photosynthesis. Yes. So, learn this. learn the correct answer, learn fill in the blanks, and question answer in brief, answer in detail is given in the worksheet. You must have finished writing and drawing the diagrams and all. Yes, so see that you do well with your learning work. Now we come to page number 59. Label the parts of a plant in the picture given below. Yes, now here you find this yellow part, that is the flower. Yes, green thing is the leaf. These are the branches. The red cherry like thing is a fruit. Here this one is the stem and down is the root. The part of a plant that grows above the soil is called shoot. Yes, and this is called the root. Yes, so now you know flower, leaf, stem, branch, fruit, stem and root. Now label the diagram well. Now turn to page number 60. Number the following stages of germination in correct order. See, number 1, this is seed. Yes, now we have planted and it has grown little. Third stage is little more it has grown. Now you can see the difference in the fourth stage, the fifth stage and the sixth stage. Why this the difference you can see? Because enough of water was given, enough of air, plenty of air, good sunlight and good soil. So when all this is there, water, air, sunlight and good soil, you will find the seeds germinating well from the soil. Yes. Now second part is label the parts of a leaf given below. Now this we have learned. What is this? This is the leaf stalk. This is the leaf blade. This one is the side vein and one is the main vein which is coming. So you label your diagram, you learn to practice it well and you will remember the names and the spellings. Yes. Now we come to third part. Write the names of fruit with one seed and the fruit with many seeds in the space provided below. One seed and many seeds. Fruits with one seed: mango, lychee, cherry. And with many seeds: watermelon, papaya, apple, guava, orange. Fruits with very simple. One seed: mango, lychee, cherry. And with many seeds there is watermelon, papaya, apple, guava, orange. Yes, there are so many things. So you have to remember them and learn them well. So revise your work well, especially the learning part, and see that you write down neatly, don't scribble. Okay, so with this we have finished our chapter number 5. Yes, plants in the surrounding we have finished. I explained you, we have finished with the question and answer. Now there is lot of learning work to be done, lot of learning work. So see that you sit and revise. When you finish this, you'll get your, we'll come to the next lesson and I'll give you your question and answer in the worksheet, children. Okay, till then, take care and God bless you and remain safe. Okay.